Ready to ditch the default looks and create a killer plaid skirt that will make your Gacha Club character stand out from the crowd? First, head over to the character customization section. In Gacha Club, we're going to start with a base skirt. Choose a skirt style that you like. A simple, straight skirt works best to showcase the plaid, but feel free to experiment. I am selecting skirt number 13. Now, let's pick our base colors. Consider a darker shade for the primary color of the skirt. I'm going with a deep blue. Select a slightly lighter shade of the base color for the secondary color. I'm using a lighter shade of blue. Next, go to the accessories section to add lines that will create the plaid effect. We are going to add a belt. Find a thin belt that looks like a line. Adjust the color to make it contrasting. For my case, I'm using white. Use the adjustment tools to position the belt horizontally across the skirt. Duplicate the belt, then place them evenly to create vertical and horizontal lines. Don't be afraid to play with different color combinations and line thickness to achieve the perfect plaid. Try using reds, greens, yellows, or even pastels. And that's it. Your character is now rocking a unique plaid skirt, ready to take on any adventure in Gacha Club. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Gacha Club tutorials and share your plaid designs in the comments below.